Alright, so today we got our 6-quart Cambro containers in, and I have been reading up on better ways to store flour and sugars and things like that, dry goods mostly, and these actually came up quite a bit. So I did a little bit more research and found out that this is the way to go for me. So they're stackable, which is one thing. They have some measurements on the side. Again, this is a 6-quart or almost a 5.5 liter container. And I'm going to see how much flour will fit into this. The report is that a 5-pound bag will fit in this perfectly. So I have a 5-pound bag of all-purpose flour I'm going to put in here and see what we can do with it. The other advantage of these is that they have a nice sealable lid, airtight. You can put food products in here, you can marinate in here, you can do all kinds of things with these containers, and they're actually relatively cheap. And I'll have a link in the description where you can check them out. So far, the quality of them, they shipped perfectly, no cracks, no issues, no defects, and it's actually a pretty heavy duty material. So right now I've got my 5-pound bag of flour. I'm going to go ahead and open this all the way up and give it a pour and see what we come up with. Now they do make different sizes of these containers as well. I believe all the way up to 12 or 16 quarts, which, from what I'm told, can hold up to 10 pounds of flour. So carefully, I'm going to pour this in here. Actually, I may tilt this so it doesn't fly up everywhere. And of course, I did wash the containers really well because they were shipped, and with that, you definitely have to make sure you dry it off really well before you put your flour in, so there's no dampness in there. Okay, so that's a 5-pound bag of flour, and it is only going up to 4 quarts. There's still 2 quarts of spacing in here, and that's just a loose, that's not even packed down. And it just so happens I have another bag of flour that's pretty much 3/4 empty, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this out in here. And I'm doing this kind of slow again because I want to make sure it doesn't go beyond anything. It doesn't look like it will. Alright. Alright, so we're at probably 4.5 quarts. So it looks like we got quite a bit of space left in here, which is perfect. So this definitely will hold a 5-pound bag of flour. I'm assuming a 5-pound bag of sugar would fit in this as well. Again, I believe that this product is excellent. You can definitely take your scoops right out of this. You can leave your scoop in there so you never have to worry about losing your scoop. But all in all, I would recommend this product. Again, I am not endorsed by this company or anything. It's just my personal review on this. I like to cook. My wife likes to bake, hence the reason we got some of these. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Again, I will put the link in the description. And here is the, I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus on that or not. Cambro 6-quart. Alright, check it out. on to the next.